Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to braid this flat knot. Okay, this will be our center cord. Now I use different color, and that's the cord to braid. We can start from the right part, bring over, put on the center cord to make the loop on your right side, and now you put your left cord on the right cord. Left cord go under all the strings and get into that right loop we just made. Now we finish one side. Now we're going to finish another side. We made a left loop, put on this cord on the center cord, and put the right cord on the left cord. This right cord go under all the strings, go into that loop we just made. And that's it. That's for the flat knot. There.